Hello guys, welcome to vlog. So today I'm going to teach you how to produce lemon color. A lot of people call it lime, some call it nano, some call it apple green, you understand, but basically it is called lemon color. So in today I'm going to show you the practical on how to mix these beautiful colors for more durability for your walls. So this is lemon color, as you can see. So now we are going to use acrylic white paint, and this paint has titanium dioxide in it. Please take note. So this acrylic white paint, it is the base of the paint. This is green paste and this is yellow paste. So these two colors is what we're going to use to mix our paint. So first of all, let's scope the white acrylic paint so you'll be able to see how this color looks like. So we'll scope the paint, we'll put it into the mixing drum. Like I said, take note, please. This is white acrylic paint and it has titanium dioxide. So you have to stir your paint. Yes. After leaving your paint for a while, you have to stir your paint whenever you open your paint for better durability and opacity. So you make sure you stir your paint vigorously, very, very well. So all the chemicals as well can blend. So now you keep stirring. So we're going to be mixing two colors today. Yes, we're going to mix the first color and then the second color. So we're going to start with our yellow paste. So this our yellow paste is going to transform everything for us. Like I said, we're going to mix two colors. So the first color we're going to mix is sunflower with just our yellow paste. Yes, sunflower. So you can see how beautiful this sunflower color is. You can use it for your children's room, for schools, for your bathtub. You can also use it for your walls. You understand? In your living room or in your bedroom. So this sunflower is a very unique colors that you can use to beautify your space. It's a very, very wonderful color. Most people mistake this sunflower for golden yellow. No, golden yellow is the darker shade of this sunflower. Some people even call it banana color. Yes, because of the back of banana. But this is sunflower. Just a drop of yellow will achieve this beautiful color. If you want it more darker, you add your yellow paste to make it more darker. Remember what I said, when you add your paste, the color becomes darker or it becomes brighter depending on how you're mixing your colors. So this is sunflower, and then the next color we are going to be mixing is the color of today, you understand, which is our lemon color. But I want to show you how to also achieve sunflower color, because you can also change your sunflower paint to lemon color. For those of us that want to mix lemon color, you can change your sunflower paint to a lemon color. You understand? So now we're going to be adding our green paste. Yes, our green paste is what that is going to give us this lemon color. So you can see the combination of lemon and sunflower, they go together. So now you add your green paste to achieve this beautiful lemon color. Some people call it apple green, some call it lime color, some call it lemon color, but it depends on the particular shade you want. If you don't want yours to be as dark as this, just add your white paint after your production, because remember that we've already add our yellow paste. And if you want the lemon to be more darker than this, just keep adding your green paste. So lemon color is a beautiful, amazing color, and it goes anywhere in your living room, in your bathroom, in your sitting room, in your children's room. It's a perfect color that can transform your space. And you can see there is no magic here. The only two colors you can use to achieve this wonderful color is your yellow paste and your green paste. You understand? So your yellow paste and your green paste would totally transform your space with this lemon color. Can't you see how wonderful and beautiful this color looks like? And I'm sure most of us are going to try this color in our wall. We're going to try it on our wall, you understand? So because this color is a wonderful color. I love this color so much because it is so beautiful and it goes with any color combination, you understand? But there are unique colors that you can actually combine with this color. And of course, on our next video, I'm going to show you the colors that you can use to combine this lemon color. So you see how wonderful and beautiful this color looks like. And of course, it can transform your space. You understand? Thank you for watching.